Hey, what's up you guys, it is Cesar here, I hope that you are doing well, and today I'm going to teach you how you can make money online from home in 2022. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Cesar and I used to have a corporate job and work as an engineer with an MBA specialized in finance, but right now I teach people how to make money online. That being said guys, I'm going to show you the strategy, so let me put here the whiteboard and I'm going to write affiliate marketing. And what exactly is this thing? So you promote other companies' products or services, and when you make a sale, you earn a commission. And why this business model is the simpler and easiest. Well, that is because you don't need to create a product. In addition, the customer support is given by the company. And so, what is the method, guys? It's very simple, and I'm going to show you right now. Basically, you will find an offer that you are going to promote, and you need to build a landing page. You are going to drive traffic to this landing page so you can collect here the leads. And for the people who fill or put the information in your landing page, let me show you here, you are going to redirect those people to your offer. And you can use free traffic or paid traffic. And right now guys, I'm going to jump to my web browser, and this is a marketplace. This is clickbank.com. You can sign up here if you click this blue button, and then you can go to marketplace and you can choose here a variety of niches that you can promote. And I'm going to suggest you something, that if you're going to promote an offer, you need to do a research before do that, so you can know that you are going to have an audience for that product. So we know that the health and fitness category is one of the, check this out, 1201 gravity. This number means that a lot of people are promoting this product. And to promote this, the only thing you need to do is click on promote and then generate hop links, and this is the link that you need to promote. So if I copy this link and paste it here, you'll see that this is the landing page, so we can promote this product. And if someone buy through this page, I'm going to get a commission from Clickbank for that product. We're going to go back, and we have here a variety of health and niches products, as you can see on the screen. We can sort by gravity, Exipure is the first. Then we have Java Born and the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. Okay, now the process is that we have our link to promote, and then you need to go to a software, and I use GetResponse to build these landing pages. And I'm going to click on this one so you can see an example of a landing page. So when people put their name and their email address, that information goes to one of my lists, and then I can do the follow up for the people that don't buy the program. And that's it, guys. If you want more information about how you can start your own affiliate marketing business, I'm going to put a link in the description below, and you will get access to a free training that I have on my website. And that being said, if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.